Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome back to my office, and today I have a jigsaw puzzle. And if you know, I've got my new house going in Florida, and so I needed some activities of things to do while there, and just going out and vacationing there. And so, well, hey, what's more fun than a puzzle? So I got this jigsaw puzzle, and if you know me, you know I like space. I got space pictures up around here. You probably can't see it. Maybe I'll do a space background so it'll look like I'm in space for this video. But here, let's check this out. We'll open it up. I got a paper clip here to open it up because I cannot find my scissors anywhere. I think my children have stolen them from me. So I just have a paper clip now to use. So let's see what we can do here. So we'll open it up and check out how this looks. So it comes in a little bag like that with all the pieces. There's a few cheaters in here. So there's a few that are already kind of put together, you see. I always think it's funny when I see them like that because they are sewn together. But it's weird. If you look on the back, it's got like letters on it. I have no idea what that means. Like this one says E. I don't know. You can see it's got E's on the back, and this one's got C's. I wonder if it's like some way to make it easier to put together. And then there's A's. There's all sorts of different ones in there. That's kind of cool. I'll be curious what that all means. There's no instructions or anything. I mean, it's a puzzle. But the pieces look good. I mean, they're not the thickest of pieces in the world. It's not paper thin, but it's not super thick. I mean, you could probably bend them pretty easy, but I think it's good enough to do a puzzle. I probably couldn't do it on something soft. I'd probably have to do it on a hard table to really get them to go. But it seems pretty good. I like it. And I like the theme. I like that it's a space one. I mean, there's a few of the pieces that are you can kind of see that are already kind of put together. But for the most part, they're already separated, and I'll just go through and separate them all before I start because I'm no cheater. Neil's no cheater. But you can see the pictures and the colors look pretty vibrant on them. I like it. Probably if you see green or something like that, it probably just looks see-through because of the green thing back there. But this is what the puzzle will look like when completed. So give me a month or two, and eventually it'll get completed. But I like this. Hopefully there's no pieces missing. I doubt there is. It's a brand new sealed puzzle box. But I'll update in the comments if there's any problems as I do this puzzle, but for the most part, I like it. So thumbs up for me. I'm putting a link to it in the description, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, as I always say, and I'll be back with some more fun stuff as I review it. So be sure and pick this up if you want to get this puzzle here. The link's there for you. So I like it. The price was pretty inexpensive, so I'm not expecting the puzzle with made out of metal or anything like that. It's a puzzle, so it'll be fun to do. So thanks again, and take care. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.